Well, this tutorial is for you that want to create a team and schedule a meeting. Okay. First thing, we are going to click on the top right of the page, join or create a team. We're going to do that, and then join a team with a code. We are not going to use that. We will create a team directly right here. And in this case we will use a class name. You can name with your name first, please. So Dante, then the class uh, level or nivel, let's say 3, foreign language 4. Those two are equivalent. And then I think that's it. And on description you can tell the days. Okay, you can write the days. So for example, just days and Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay, so I can even write the time. For example, 11:30 to 13:10. Okay, that's the information. Married. Now on here, of course, we can add teachers or students. In this case, we are going to add students. You can do that by their names or by their student number. So it could be 05. Okay, let's say I have this one. Okay, I'm going to click here on add, and that's it. And if you want to do this, you can do that later to add or delete students. I'm going to skip that part, but that's how you do it. So now you have your team form. If you want to edit here, you can change the logo. Well, it's not very useful, but probably what I do is use always the same image, so I can find my groups very fast according to the image that I choose. Okay, it's taking a little bit, but let's wait. Okay, well, it took me a lot of time. Now I'm going to schedule my class. So I click on meet and then schedule a meeting. And again, I need to add a title. I think it was 3, foreign language 4. If I already added my my students to this team, I don't have to do it again. Okay, so I'm going to pretend that I already added my students are on my team right now. So I'm going to skip this part. Then I'm going to tell when. Okay, let's say that I'm going to start next week. Next week on Tuesday, we said, and the time I can choose from the times that I have here, or I can write. Okay, so I'm going to say the end. For example, in this case, I'm going to type directly because I don't have the option right here. As you can see, it's from 1 p.m. and it jumps to 1:30. So I type it directly on my keyboard. Okay, then it says doesn't repeat. Yes, I'm going to tell that it repeats every weekly. Okay, that it repeats every week. Once that I did that, I'm going to click again here, and I'm going to say go to this part right here, custom. Then I'm going to tap the other date. As you can see here, I have selected already Tuesdays, but I don't have any other date, so I'm going to choose Thursdays now. Okay, so I have Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'm going to click on save, and as you can see here, it occurs every Tuesday and Thursday starting on this date. I can change that, and then I think that's it. Location is not needed, and if you want to type any other thing, it's fine, but you can skip that part. Then the final thing is to send. Doing that will send an email directly to the students that you have chosen to their emails as a reminder, and they will have the class, the meeting, in their calendars as well. Okay, so I think that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.